Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Reese's peanut butter cup cookies. Let's begin. So to start this recipe, you'll want to place your butter, your light brown sugar and your granulated white sugar into your mixing bowl of choice. I'm using my stand mixer, but feel free to use whichever you have. So next you'll want to mix this on a medium to high speed just until all the ingredients are well combined. You'll notice that they have changed in colour and consistency. Next you'll want to add in your eggs one at a time, beating well in between each addition, making sure that the previous addition has been fully worked in, and if you add them both at the same time and you do scramble the mixture, don't worry, you'll be able to fix this once you add the flour. So once the eggs are fully incorporated, you will then want to give your bowl a quick scraping down just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in. So next you'll want to add in your dry ingredients, passing them through a sieve first to remove any big lumps from the mixture. So once you've added your dry ingredients, you can then start to mix it on a low speed, working your way up to a medium. But before you go up to a medium, add in your chocolate chips, work it up to a medium speed just until a clear dough starts to form. So once your cookie dough has formed, you will then want to give the bowl just a quick scraping down to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. So for each cookie, you'll want to take 2 scoops of cookie dough, flatten them slightly and put a good amount of the peanut butter in the middle, squish the two together, then roll them together and place them onto your baking tray. These do spread while baking, so make sure you leave enough space. You will then want to bake these off. All that information will be in my blog post, which I'll leave a link to down below. So once these cookies are straight out to the oven, you will want to place a few mini Reese's Pieces cups on top of each cookie. I went with 3, but feel free to use more or mix it up and use a large peanut butter cup, whichever works best for you. So here are what the cookies look like once they are fully baked and finished. Now I'm just allowing them to cool for a couple of minutes on the baking tray. So once the cookies have had about 5 minutes, you can then start to transfer them onto your cooling racks to cool down completely. But honestly, these are quite nice warm. I hope you enjoy them. So thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me. I'll be back again tomorrow with the final instalment of Bakemas 2018. How quickly has that gone? I hope you've enjoyed. If you have, don't forget to catch up on this year's if you've missed any, or watch previous years if you want to get an idea of what I do around the holiday time. Don't forget to check out my social media, as I do post on there some behind the scenes sneak peeks when I'm baking sometimes, if I remember, to be honest. But yeah, I'll leave all those links in the description down below. And until next time, bye guys.